Hello everyone, we're back. We wanted to show you a few of the new improvements that we did in our shop. One starting with the metalworking area that we've now set up over here so that we can do a lot of our racks and panels and prep things like that. And then over here we have gotten our new metal brake so that we can bend up panels such as RVs or whatever. Any panel that needs to be bent, we can do that now. So we've got this in place. And then one of the biggest things of all, and we'll have Adam demo this for you, is right behind. This is our new
sophisticated heat beam, which we called a laser. Using these lasers, we punch a hole
of the aluminum so that we can keep it all in-house. And as I said, Adam will set up with a demo, but first we got to load it up with some metal. Cut's done. Let's open it up and see what we got. And there we go. This is a Sling 4 panel going to a customer in the UK. So as you see, we're able to do these now in-house. It's going to save us a lot of time and afford us the opportunity to do any kind of, a little more custom stuff if we need to. So anyways, that's the demonstration of the laser, and we hope that you enjoyed it. If you're an avionics shop or anybody that's looking to have panels cut, we can do that for you now. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Throw me a frickin' bone here.